Hey guys, in this video, I'm showing you how to use QuickBooks to manage your HVAC business so you can track jobs, manage equipment costs, and get paid faster without getting stuck in paperwork. First off, sign up for QuickBooks Online and connect your bank accounts, credit cards, and payment methods like Square or PayPal. This pulls in all your income and expenses automatically. Next, create categories for common HVAC expenses, like parts, labor, truck maintenance, insurance, rent, and tools. This helps you see where your money's going each month. Here's a pro tip. Use estimates to give customers upfront pricing on repairs or installations. Then turn those into invoices once the job is done. Don't forget, track time and payroll if you have technicians on staff. And if you own service vehicles, track mileage for maintenance and fuel costs. Also, run reports like profit and loss, job costing, or expense breakdown to see which services are most profitable. Should managing your HVAC finances feel stressful? Not anymore. Just follow these steps and stay on top of your business money like a pro. Thanks for watching. If this helped you out, hit that like button and let me know. What should we cover next?